With the Infrastructure Construction Edition, the main set of tools is going to be focused around corridor mass haul, as well as intersection design and interchange design tools. So we're going to start by taking a look at the first command, which is basically creating the corridor mass haul analysis. So you'll get to the corridor mass haul tools on the corridor mass haul tab. The first command will be create a corridor analysis. So when you select on that, you're able to put in the name of the analysis. So this may be the main road analysis, and from here you're able to select the corridor that you want to run the analysis on, put in the sampling interval, put in your haul cost as well as your cut and fill cost. So depending on what those values are, you can enter those here. Earthwork sites, which is also available in this edition, will show you in a following video. And then you could put in some default borrow and waste sites and put in the cost for that information. So if I was to put in a value for those, I could do that here. And then for fill materials, you can choose to respect defined fill materials or use generic fill materials. So once you do this, enter in this information, actually create the mass haul analysis, you'll then be able to go in and do other things like put in the look at the mass haul diagram and look at the entering in the borrow and waste sites. So by clicking on the mass haul diagram, you'll see here that I can actually create and look at that diagram. So in the following videos, we'll show you some of the other tools that you can add to the corridor mass haul analysis.